you all might have seen the title of this video, but before I move on to talk about the title of this video, the reason why I decided to do this is I'm gonna share with you guys the reason why I decided to do this. Okay, I've been asked often, like a lot of people, they want to know the secret to my youthful look. All right, they want to know how I look so much like way younger than my age. First of all, I want to give glory to God, because without him I cannot be here, I cannot be who I am, and I cannot get all those wonderful compliments from people. It is God's it is God's grace, his will, you know. It is grace because he created every one of us, you know. So that's the first one thing I want to talk about, the grace of God. All right, and the second one is my lifestyle. All right, I want to thank God for that knowledge again that he gave me, to be able to know from when I was very young, to be able to incorporate all these things that I'm about to tell you guys into my lifestyle. Then my number 3, which I am going to talk about again, is gene. All right, gene has got a lot to do with how we age. All right, some people are very lucky, they are part of like family where they grew up from, their gene, they look younger, but age wise, when you're talking about number, is there. But some, there's nothing they can do about it. Basically, that's the gene, is the gene. They cannot switch it, they cannot change it. So I just wanted to put that out, that 95% of the way we age depend on our gene. All right, welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments, for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload today's topic, which is 5 habits that can make you to look younger, you know, with or without makeup. All right, with or without makeup, those 5 habits that can make you look younger are fantastic, with or without makeup. All right, so my point number 1, these are part of what I've incorporated into my lifestyle. Okay, I already said it before. One thing I do is I drink lemon water, like not every day, but every other day. First thing in the morning and last thing at night. And we all know how lemon water is very essential. The reason why we added the lemon to the water, apart from drinking lemon water, I drink water a lot. So if I want to drink my flavored water, I only put lemon. And the reason is because lemon has vitamin C, which is supposed to help you to renew your cell internally and externally. Just think about when we use cream that has vitamin C in it, it helps us to repair our skin outside, then outside, like outward, where people can see. You know what I'm talking about, you know. But when you drink it, it is inside the water, it's helping you internally. So that's one of the things that I do, but not every day. Okay, my point number 2 is I make sure I use sunscreen regardless of what season we are, either winter, fall, spring, summer, whatever season we are. I make sure I use sunscreen before I leave the house. Don't think about, oh, the weather is friendly, it's not sunny out there, I'm just going to step out of my house and go. No, that day you still need to wear sunscreen, because you never can tell what the ray of the sun will do to your skin, damage it. Honestly, I've experienced that before, but I don't want to prolong this video, so I'm going to tell you sunscreen is very essential to make you to have that youthful look. Make sure you please, I'm not commanding, but I'm just telling you, please incorporate it into your skincare routine. Use your sunscreen. If your if the skincare you're using doesn't have sunscreen, which I recommend, but get separate sunscreen apart separately and make sure you use it regularly. Honestly speaking, you will have a youthful look. It cannot stop you from aging. Aging is inevitable, but it will slow down the process. All right. My point number 3 is to get your blood circulating. What do I mean by getting your blood circulating? By exercising, workout. I do a lot of that. I'm serious. Like, I make sure I work out like 5 times a week. it's part of my lifestyle. Like, it's not because I want to have certain kind of body, or I want to be in competition with anybody, but I chose to do that as part of my lifestyle way back from Africa before I moved to this part of the world, because it makes me feel good. All right, it makes me feel like refreshed. Whenever I'm stressed out, there are things I do, like working out or going shopping, and you all know when you want to go shopping, you have to spend a lot of money. So instead of me going shopping every time I'm stressed out, I will choose to work out. Every now and then I will go shop if I have the money to spend. So how do you get that going on? Just incorporate some kind of, even if it's just 30 minutes a day, do it at home. You don't have to go to the gym. There are some workout that you could do at home that you don't have to go to the, get your blood circulating, work out at least 30 minutes a day. Part of what I do. And again, you have to get your blood circulating again when you're doing your skincare routine. All right, make sure you tap, not slapping. You tap, make sure you tap the skin into your system. You use circular motion so that you can be able to get the benefit of all those good things you're putting on your skin. By doing that too, you're getting the blood circulating, and it will help you to slow down the process of aging. But it can't stop it because it's inevitable, like I said, but it will slow it down. All right, point number 4 is to put a little effort into your styling, like the kind of outfit we wear. I'm gonna say this out here, I am not that kind of a person that attached age to outfits. It's whatever that suits your body type, whatever that fits you. Just put a little effort into it. As I am, I can wear teens clothing as long as it fits me and it fits my style. I will put it on. I don't attach age to outfits. That is me. It might be different for you, but I just feel like we should all be able to dress the way we feel comfortable in. But just put a little bit of effort into it, you know, to make it look stylish, classy, you know. That's it. But you can wear whatever you want to wear. Just put a little effort into it. All right, that's my point number 4. My last point, which is point number 5, will be to incorporate serum into your skincare. Guys, serum is really amazing because it's the foundation of every other thing that you want to put on your skin when you're doing your skincare routine. There are many serum out there, like on the over-the-counter, the prestige one. I've tried I've tried a lot. The one over the counter, I've tried. I can insert picture for you guys to see the ones that I've tried. I can really tell you that they're really good. Because presently I'm using Estee Lauder. I got used to using Estee Lauder because I worked for them before. So I got used to using that product because I really see a lot of amazing things that serum is doing. So that's my own number 1 serum, the Estee Lauder serum. But you can still use the one over the counter. They're still going to do the same thing for you because I've tried the one over the counter too before. All right, incorporate serum into your skincare. It's amazing. It helps you to fight the aging sign. All right, I didn't say it's gonna completely take it out, but it's gonna slow it down, like seriously slow it down. So it will help you to fight lines, wrinkle, dryness, dullness, you know, all those things that are visible on our face when we are aging. Those are the things it's going to slow it down for you. But getting old is inevitable, but the process can be delayed. That's the bottom line. So guys, those are the things that I've incorporated into my lifestyle since I was growing up, and I see them that they are really working for me. And I've got this question a lot every time people ask me, how do you stay young? How do you look so young even though I am this old, you know? So maybe a video of my tag get to know me would have been out before this, but if it's out, you will know how old I am. And if not, if it's not out, then when it comes out, you also will see it. All right, let's just leave it like that, because today is not about tag video, it's about how we can look younger or fantastic with or without makeup. All right, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please, if you have any question for me, leave it down in the comment section below, and please don't forget to comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so as to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.